Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on with the person on your mind. Let's see what the energy is. We have the star. Okay. This person sees you as a wish come true, but at the same time, they think that you are very evolved psychically. I'm picking up on someone who has gone through an intense spiritual awakening. And you have changed a lot after knowing this person. We have the Two of Wands. This person is thinking about the connection in a way which is very shaky. This person feels that you both never really, this connection never really started off on a strong ground. Like, you both met each other at a point where you were not looking for something serious, or one of you was looking for something serious, but the timing was not right. This person is in this energy where they want to be in a situation with you where they can meet you again. We have the Fool. Yes, this person wants a new beginning with you. We have the Fool card here. This person wants a new beginning with you, but they also feel that, because you both are, I'm picking up on someone, you both are very stubborn. You both have very difficult time forgetting the past. Especially you have a difficult time allowing people back in your energy after they have disrespected you in some way, shape, or form, and this person knows that about you. So they don't know if they can get a new beginning with you, a new fresh start with you. But they want to reintroduce themselves. Like, this person wants to be in this energy where they come in your life and they want to reintroduce themselves and give you the world. Yes. This person is in this space, in this energy. We have a lot of eyes here. This person is in this energy where they see you clearly now. And this person feels that your ability to kind of assess and judge, like you know what is coming next in the connection. You know what to expect from a person and what not to expect from a person. But like sometimes it might work negatively for you. What I mean by that is you judged this person when they were a part of your life. Like this is someone when they were introduced to you in at the stage in your life. You had a certain judgment about them which needs to be changed, because this person is a changed individual and they want to show you that they are a changed individual now. Give me more about this. Can you tell me more? We have the Champion of Swords, we have the Four of Cups. Four of Cups in this tarot deck, it really represents balance. I'm picking up on this energy that, this person wants equal give and take, equal reciprocity in this connection specifically. They want to show you that they can be a better individual. They want to show you their feathers. They want to show you what they are capable of. Like, this person wants to pursue you in a way where they kind of like, sweep you off your feet. They want to show you how loving, how caring they can be. And they never got the chance to show you. They never got to show you their real side. They want to also dominate you in like bed, or like, what I mean by that is they want to show you how they truly are, because you are someone, you like authenticity, you like to see the true nature of a person. So this person wants to show you how dominating they can be in bed. I don't know, that's coming up in my mind. Like I'm picking up on something like that. Give me more. Give me more for this. Can you tell me this person's intentions? Can you tell me this person's intentions, please? You know what, like this is, yeah, we have the Ace of Cups. This is the Page of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles in the original tarot deck is also considered a ring. This person wants to promise you. This person wants to promise you how they can change and how they can be in a relationship with someone and they can be loyal. Like, they can give you the world. This person is in this energy where they want a very stable beginning with you, a stable connection, but they cannot stop brainstorming how they have to come towards you, because now that they have created this intention, like, they have created this image in your mind where they want something physical. Like, they were so attracted to you, they wanted something physical, and now you look at them in a way where you categorize them in your mind as someone who is just here for a good time. This person wants to change that perspective. That's what I'm picking up on with the Ace of Wands and the Apprentice of Wands being in reverse. This is a Knight of Wands. This person came off really strong, and now they want to show you that they are not really in this connection because they want a physical relationship. They want a true connection with you, and this is becoming very challenging for them to, how to get out of this, like how to get out of this judgment in your mind. Yeah, they're kind of brainstorming how to get past this barrier, you know, which they have created for themselves. Can you tell me more about this connection, please? Can you tell me more about this connection? We have the chariot. They want to move past all of this. We have the empress and we have the seven of wands, ace of pentacles. You know what I'm picking up on? Like, you know, this person is in this energy where you are coming up as an empress. You're coming up as someone who has a lot of high standards, but at the same time the standards are justified. When you get into a relationship and when you really want to be with a person, you show them how loved they can feel, and they want to feel that way. You're very quick to cut off people, and they want to get past this energy. They want to be on the other side of this cutting off energy and this barriers that you have created for yourself and for them as well. This person wants a new chance with you. With the ace of pentacles being here, this person is in this energy where they want to build something very stable with you. You know how a seed can turn into a forest? Like, they want something like that. Like, just the thought of you both being together, how it can create a chain of positive thoughts, affirmations in your mind, and how you can think about a very solid future with them. They really want your mindset about them as a person to change. They really wish things could be different, but they know it's a waste of time to think about things being different, but rather they need to act. Rather, they need to show you how things can be different by matching their actions to their words. But I'm not picking up on someone who has a malicious, ill intentional energy. This is not someone who is going to make a lot of fake promises, but this was just someone who kind of like showed you how they are attracted to you, but didn't really make an effort to know you, because they didn't really think of this connect. Like, they didn't really feel, honestly, they didn't really feel that this connection would be so strong. But the more they, yeah, that's the clarity, you know, the more they noticed you, the more they realized how intentional and how psychically blessed you are. Like, maybe in the initial stages when you both were not on good terms and you were going no contact, or you were cutting off this person thought that you're just playing hard to get. But now they see you very clearly, they see how your mind functions, and they want to be on the other side of it. They're receiving a lot of clarity about, yeah, you know what I'm picking up on? This person has a habit of suppressing their emotions, and in a lot of situations, their emotions are not charged. Their emotions are not emotionally influenced, or, they're not emotionally involved in a lot of relationships. But in this particular relationship, they feel too emotionally involved for something which has not started off on a strong, solid ground. So that is something which is impacting them, because this relationship hasn't really gotten a chance to evolve, you know, and them feeling so affected by it is something which is making them feel very crazy. So this is something that they are working on currently. This is their intention towards you. This person has really strong intentions, really strong feelings for you, with the high priestess in reverse being your, this person feels a little bit scared about you knowing, or you seeing through their illusions that they create for you. With the high priestess in reverse being here, I'm picking up on someone who is trying to hide this. You know, they are trying to hide the fact how much they love you, how much they care for you, how much they want you to be a part of their life. Like, this person is trying to hide that. This person is trying their level best to not let you know how much they care for you. Yeah. Tell me their future actions, please. Can you tell me their future actions? We have the Six of Wands. This person is going to communicate. This person is, when they communicate with you, like, you know, it is going to be very sudden, but at the same time, like, you know, we have the Three of Cups. It's going to start off in a way where they want to meet you, they want to interact with you in a very small, subtle way. Like, it's just going to be an outing, or you just go out for drinks or something like that. It's going to be small, but this person is going to show you consistency after that. With the Six of Wands to the Three of Cups being here, it's going to start off small, but eventually this person will show you how much you mean to them. And it's a journey for them, because they haven't really felt such a strong connection with anyone else. And they have a hard time understanding and navigating through their emotions. So that's why it's a rather difficult journey for them. Give it some time. This person is going to come back in a matter of 3 months for a lot of y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.